the difference between the New Balance 608s and the New Balance 623s. So on my feet are the black 623s that I bought online from Amazon. And here's the thing. I've purchased shoes from Amazon, and I don't know. I'm not saying that they're not like authentic. I'm not saying that they're knockoffs, forgeries, replicas, but I just haven't had a good experience with buying my shoes off of Amazon for whatever reason. Also, whenever I buy New Balance in black, they're not as comfortable as the white pairs. What is that? How is that like a thing? But these I got at Dunham's, all right? These 608s, the classic dad shoes, right? And they are comfortable right out of the box. These have stiff, the sole is stiff. Right here it says it's got this absorb thing. I mean, they type the name, or they write the name absorb on the side. There's nothing absorbent about this part of the shoe. These are 623s. These 608s, I know why all these old guys wear these things, right? Like, old like me. Because as soon as you put them on, they feel good. Like you don't have to like break them in. Like they adjust, like they've at the right spots. Did you hear my leg click? The sole is cushioned. The collar around my ankles is padded. It's not too high, so it doesn't rub against my ankles. This is a little bit higher, and the collar does rub a little bit. And so, I expect New Balance to be comfortable right out of the box. I don't have time to mess around breaking in shoes, right? So maybe I'm wrong about this, but you tell me in the comments below if I always assumed that the higher the number on New Balance, the better the shoe, right? So if you bought like 525s, 725s were better, that's not been the case for me. And I avoided wearing these 608s for the longest time because, they're kind of like, they're made fun of, right? They're like the dad shoe. But I know they're just comfortable. And I am sick of I've never really been a slave to fashion, but I'm not going to be uncomfortable wearing these around my house, using them on my exercise bike as cross trainers, jumping around doing P90X in my living room. I'm going to wear these things. Will I wear them out? Probably not. I'll probably wear like the Skechers that you have to replace every couple months because the spring like in the step goes away. But Skechers have cool looking shoes, so I'll probably buy those for styling. But like if I'm gonna be walking a lot, I think I'm gonna wear these. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash like, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'll see y'all in the next one.